Hi guys, and we're back with E6 signal. We're going to try and get this thing working now. The very first thing that I've got to do is record my appreciation to Stephen on the Rust Bucket forum at NZMeccano.com, NZMeccano.com I should say, who very kindly fixed this coil for me, posted it off to him. He turned it around double quick in one day and posted it back to me, and now they're both working. Just to prove that I have got two working coils, we'll do the magnet test I did before. So whip that one up, whip that one, and then on there we've picked that up. Lovely. And then just to try that again with this one here. And that's working fine. So we've got two working coils. If this doesn't work, it's not a problem with the cause that's causing it not to work. Right, so we're back with it set up. Everything as it should be. The poles are at the right setting according to this. And let's put it on. And at 12 volts, there's absolutely nothing happening. But I am indebted to a suggestion from Adrian Johnson on the Meccano Nuts forum, who actually built this model up himself to see what he could do with it, and reported that you need to get it up to 25 volts to get sufficient strength on the electromagnet to raise the signal. So let's push that up and see what happens. Oh, trying to do the spins. I have actually done this, and at 25 volts we should start to, oh look, it's moving, it's starting to work. You see that? So it needs the increase in voltage to get it to work, but there you go. That's the working switch from the magnetic principle. Don't want to leave it on too long because it'll burn my coils, so there we are. And there you go. There's the switch going down as the pole goes. So that's us working. Thanks very much. This has very much been a team effort, from suggestions from everybody in the various forums, from Stephen repairing the coil for me, and from, you know, just everybody pitching in. So it's a success for everybody. Thank you very much.